video, I will explore with David Soderman, VP of Sales at Smart Pixel, the different options available to add value with the amenities and common areas. All of this in their 3D sales tool for pre-construction real estate. David, before explaining in depth the different options available, can you explain to us what is an amenity or common area, and why is it important for the developers to put them into the spotlight?
An amenity or common area is a space indoor or outdoor that is shared between tenants in a building. These could include a gym, pool, deck, lobby, terrace, and so on. They are important to developers as they add value to the building and attract even more potential buyers. They are a great differentiating factor. For example, projects that are geared towards younger people tend to have areas for socializing. Luxury projects have exceptional pools and impressive lobbies. Exterior common areas such as terraces and gardens add life and vibrancy to the project.
Can there be amenities or common areas in any type of real estate? Residential, commercial, offices?
For sure. Anything that is considered a valuable common space would be referred to as an amenity or common area, no matter the nature of the property.
Okay, since it's an important aspect of any property, is there a standard or basic package that comes with every application you make?
For sure, we offer a basic solution, but keep in mind, every project has its own particularities and goals. Our mission at Smart Pixel is to bring unparalleled value to our clients' future real estate developments. That's why we've designed a smart, unique, and evolutive suite of tools, features, and assets using cutting-edge, real-time 3D visualization technologies, allowing our customers to market their properties like never before. As for the amenities and common areas, we have a standard solution and a few optional alternatives. Our team of experts will make recommendations on how to best present them based on our customers' goals and constraints.
Thanks for emphasizing on the guidance and support your team provides.
Now, as part of the basic offer, each building we optimize and integrate into our applications will include the modeling of 3 outdoor common areas or amenities with generic furniture. As explained in another video about the architectural levels of detail and optimizational workflows, what we call AA or AAA, the process used to model the architecture will define how close the users will be able to zoom in onto the building, therefore onto the exterior amenities or common areas. So Valerie, let's see this in action. If a building is modeled using the AAA workflow, the user will be able to click on those 3, zoom in nice and close, allowing a user to rotate around them and appreciate their details. By contrast, this would not be possible with the AA workflow, since the zoom level would not allow such a close view. Therefore, the user would only see the 3 exterior locations from further out, with the possibility of viewing pop-up cards, thus taking advantage of the renderings and images you may already have. Of course, additional exterior spaces can be modeled and custom furniture can also be added if requested. The pop-up cards can contain texts, images, plans, and videos, and is manageable using our online content management system. For that, we have another video that will explain that in depth on how our clients can update their content on their own.
And if there is more than 3 amenities or common areas, how do you show them as part of the basic offer?
In this other example, regardless of the workflow used, should a customer require more than 3 modeled common spaces, we simply tag the additional locations. As explained before, when touching those tags, once again a pop-up card will display the appropriate information chosen by the client. So for the basic offer, interior amenities or common areas, we'll use the same tagging system as the exterior, triggering a pop-up card. Should a client wish to showcase interior amenities in detail, we offer a variety of custom solutions.
Is there anything else you can add to common spaces?
Sure. As an example here, you can see static human figures. This can inject life into your project.
You talked about interior amenities. Do you offer an alternative to tag and pop-up cards?
Yes, we do. Aside from the tags, we use 2 techniques to present indoor amenities or common areas. There are always other solutions, but for the purpose of this video, these are the most popular ones. If and only if the AAA workflow is used to model the building. It is possible to visualize an interior space by zooming in and simply looking through the windows. These spaces can be either empty or furnished, and if furnished, we can use our generic library of 3D furniture or your customized assets. Now, if the AA workflow is chosen, since we cannot zoom in close enough, it will not be possible to show interior amenities looking through the windows. So for AA, we have another solution, which, by the way, also works with AAA. To demonstrate this, we have loaded another application. As you can see here, in order to understand the layout of space, unit, or an entire floor, and the accessibility between different areas on that floor, we can extrude the walls and divisions of a space seen from top to bottom. We call this a floor cut. In the same idea of a floor cut, I'd like to introduce an alternative. Let's take a look. If many spaces require a floor cut, we've developed a tool using artificial intelligence, which generates schematic floor cuts based on 2D plans. The user can toggle on and off generic furniture and 3D extrusion. It is mostly used for residential, but works very well with the other real estate categories.
Thank you, David, for showing these custom solutions to help visualize the interior spaces.
No problem, Valerie. Before we go, I've loaded a first-person view of an interior space, and we have an entire video dedicated to it since it's much more complex. But just as a sneak peek here, Valerie, this popular solution is much more immersive and detailed, allowing the user to dive into the space just like in a video game.
Thank you, David. And thanks for watching Smart Pixels video.